This is a tutorial on testing and grading. I'm going to be teaching you on how to connect the CBT server to the network. How to connect the CBT server to the network. The first thing you need to do is to download your USB web server from your admission portal. Now this is how the USB web server looks like. It will be a zipped folder on your admission portal. You need to download it from there. Now once you download it, it is going to open like this. So what you simply need to do is to click on USB web server application. Double click on it. Now immediately you double click on it, it will check the Apache and MySQL. You should make sure that immediately you launch the USB web server, these two Apache and MySQL are ticked, meaning that you are good to go. Once they have been checked, you make sure that the default, click on setting, make sure that the port is left at 80 and the port MySQL is left at 3306. These are the general settings for it. Do not tamper with it. You go back to general and click on localhost. Immediately you click on localhost, your USB web server will be launched. This is to show you that you have successfully launched USB web server. Now you will need to do one more thing. Type notify CBT. Once you launch your localhost from the USB web server, it will bring you to this interface. After the localhost, type /notify CBT and press enter. Immediately you do that, it will bring you to this interface. Now if you're launching USB web server for the first time, it will ask you for your email and your CBT activation code. It will ask you for your email and your CBT activation code, which will of course be provided to you by Notify. So once you're here on Notify CBT, you will need to type your username, which is the admin, and your password, which will be given to you as well. Click on login and voila, you have successfully logged on onto Notify CBT as a server. Now if you want to be able to use other systems as the client to access the CBT server, you will need to do something. You will need to check your IP address. IP config. Now this is your IP address, 192.168.0.246. 192.168.0.246. So let's say I want to log on from another system. You will need to type 192.168.0.246 /notify CBT. So this is how all the system that will be acting as a client will be logging into CBT, meaning they will be accessing from your server system to be able to write the exam. Thank you. On the next tutorial, show you on how to download exams and candidates.